Morning, Engine Carbon Clean. We're in Derby this morning. We've got a VW Caddy 1.6 diesel. It's a 2014 plate, 39,000 on the clock. Now, this one's recently had a throttle body seize up. The owner wanted to get it, has been replaced, wanted to get it checked out and cleaned up this morning. With this kind of mileage, good time to do it. It's running beautifully actually. That throttle body's been resolved, no issue there. Back pressure's nice and low on the DPF. 17 kilometres since the last regen. All the temperature looks spot on through the system, so it's just a nice general clean up on this one. Looking to get it remapped soon, so it's perfect time to do it. What we're doing today is basically getting the hot side of the turbo, help clean that up, get the combustion chamber, injector tips and cats cleaned up. The issue with the throttle body is now resolved, but that was probably lightly mucked up as well. This has had the emissions fixed on this one. So when he gets it remapped, he may well get that unpicked, but otherwise, yeah, just a nice standard cleanup. Get it running smooth and quiet, get the economy back, get the emissions down on this one.